Hello everyone, it is me, Hiccup. Book Hiccup, not the movie one. That one's extremely weird and inaccurate. So today I'm going to be playing Hungry Dragon because it's about dragons, and I love dragons. I love dragons. Yes, you too, Toothless. Yeah, that. Okay. This dragon actually kind of looks like him, but it's way. This dragon is way too big. He looks like a common dragon, but he's like extremely small. I mean, like dragon. Fire! 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 Is that a lightning slug? Is that supposed to be a dragon? Because I think
yeah, so the bug. Oh, the flying pig. It's magic. Not that many magic things in the books. Actually, I think there was like a wit once, like Selenol. Dragon. They got him shooting. I don't think a bow and arrow is gonna be very effective against the dragon if you can't hit it anywhere.
why do people keep falling? Who's that dude? Why is everyone dressed so weird? I've never seen someone dressed like this. Well, this doesn't look like both, so I have no idea. Is this America? Is this what America looks like? A cow! I need a bigger dragon for that. What was that? A cemetery? Excelenor! It's Excelenor!
Toothless, it's fine. Calm down. It was in the game. A goblin. Where did I get attacked by a goblin? What is this goblins? Ow! They're attacking my dragon. I killed that one as it was on the other side of the bridge already. The door, not bridge. What was it? You. Ow! Oh, get the goblin. Why am I so slow? I need to get faster. No, I'm dead. Am I? Yeah, I'm dead. Okay. Yeah, okay. I mean, it's a new high score, but it's the first time I played, so I don't think it counts. I don't know. Sure, it's taking a long time. Hello? Load. This is really glitchy and not loading.
Yeah, so, like, what? Mad Snacks? Is that a... What dragon? Is that a silkworm? Let's see, what dragon? There's one that looks like a Gronk. Look, home in a garden. Let's see. Cheers. Yeah, okay, so. Let's see if I can recognize any of these. This is a Gronko. This is almost a Gronko, exactly. I have never seen a dragon that looks like that. This is an extra Terrestrials? Where is this from? Okay, this looks like it's from hell. That looks. A lot of these dragons look cool. Oh, this is a grongle. This. High score! I did some off-camera gaming, and it was fun. Do they do stuff? I don't know if they do stuff. What? Get now. I got a chef. I got a chef dragon. A dragon who's a chef. Weird. I also don't really. I got a flame for fan. I got this guy. I'm a chef dragon. That's weird. Why are there big pigs in the background, by the way? They're actually like a big pig every once in a while. I collected the coins. No. Yeah, I'm like skins. Yeah, what does this do? This nibbler bowfly. Is this stuff me? Oh, my fire breath increases. And wait, what are these? Pets? I can get my dragons pets? Dragons don't really have those, but I mean, like dragons don't really have pets. That's weird. It's not a dragon thing. That's like a human thing, right, Toothless? Yeah, it's weird. Okay, so I should get up here. So I get up here and just say, what? Is it a Y and an egg? I found an egg. That's weird. An egg. And then there's these aliens and I use it. So I go. Where's it? Oh, there. This would be a I can't read. Like over here? Oh, there it is. There should be an 8 somewhere. Where's the 8? I don't see an 8. 8. 8. Well, where's the 8? I don't see it. I don't see it. Oh, there it is. Down. I go down here and then. Everything on fire! Light everything on fire! Fire! Yeah, got I don't have any more lives. Well, this is going to be the last play for today. This is the end. It's just eating Nibbler's homework. What? I'm confused. Yeah. 29. Total, collected. Laying dragon eggs. Yeah, so, yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Bye. My luck, it's not going to be something useful. It's going to be something bad. Lord Geckington? He's a noble? What power does it give? Score increase? Okay, it just increases stuff.
Goodbye. Like and subscribe. Watch my other videos.